how are you? I hope you all are well. My name is Arif Badaruddin. I am from class 1A, informatics engineering. I will explain about expansion card to take second quiz score in English. Okay? The expansion card. So what is expansion card? Expansion card is an electronic board that used to add extra functionality to a computer. It is inserted into an expansion slot in the motherboard of the computer. Expansion cards contain edge connectors that are used to create an electronic link between motherboard and card, thus enabling these two to communicate. Many different classes of expansion card are available, including sound card, video graphic card, network card, and so on. For example, video graphic cards or video graphic accelerator are used to enhance the video quality on a computer. Expansion card, also known as add-on cards or interface cards. But for what we use this expansion card? The basic purpose of the expansion card is to enhance the existing abilities of the computer. The adoption of expansion card occurs rapidly in the computing world because of the ability for users to customize performance. Next is history of expansion card. The first microcomputer to feature a slot type expansion card was the Altair 8800, developed in 1974 to 1975. Initially, implementation of these boards were proprietary, such as Apple II and Macintosh, but by 1982, manufacture of Intel 8080 or Zilog Z80-based computer running CP/M had settled around the S100 standard. IBM introduced the XT bus with the first IBM PC in 1983. XT was replaced with the ISA in 1984. IBM's MCA bus developed for the PS2 in the 1987 was a competitor to ISA, but fell out of favor due to the latter industry-wide acceptance. ISA, the 16-bit standard version of ISA, was common on PC motherboard until 1997, when the Microsoft declared it as a legacy subsystem in the PC-90 industry-wide paper. Next, Intel introduced the AGP bus in 1997 as a dedicated video acceleration solution. So, term a bus, AGP supports only a single card at a time. Both of these technologies are now slated to be replaced by PCI Express beginning in 2005. This latest standard, approved in 2004, implements the logical PCI protocol over the serial communication interface. Next is kind of expansion card. First, we have VGA or Video Graphic Accelerator. It's the part of the computer that uses to process data in the form of image or video or graphic and display it in the monitor via the GPA port. Next is Wi-Fi or an IC card, network interface card, abbreviated as an IC or also a network card. It's a card that functions as a bridge from computer to a computer network. Next is sound card. It's a component whose job is to process digital signal into sound signal before they are issued by the speaker. Next is USB card. The function of this USB card is to increase the number of USB ports if the numbers of your USB port in your computer is less. Next is TV tuner internal. Can use to record TV broadcasts and of course a remote control. On the main board, this TV tuner can be connected to a PCI slot. That's all that I can explain to you about expansion card. Thank you.